How's it, guys and girls? I'm back again out today. As you guys can see, it's a lot more greener than the last time I was out hunting. It's because we had a lot of rain the past couple of weeks or so, and that's basically one of the reasons why I didn't come out and shoot more often as much as I wanted to. So yeah, you can also see it's way windy today. So we're going to see what's going to happen today. It's not going to be predictable with all the trees and stuff around me. I can hear some guinea fowl off to my left. I really hope that I do get one today. I actually came out a little bit later during the day today. The previous day that I came out was a little bit earlier and I didn't really have a lot of success. So I thought, maybe come out today just before roosting time. Hopefully I'll be a bit more successful. So stay tuned and let's see what's going to happen. So what about the blazing? This is the first shot I took today with this gun. Oh my God. That should be around 8.5 mils of all over. That's really stretching it. I'm not going to waste all my pellets, especially in this wind. So I'm just going to give it a couple of shots and see if I can whack it. I'm just looking at the trees here. And it seems like the wind is blowing in that direction. So let's see. Eight and a half. Just gonna give it a little bit for the wind as well. Oh no, I got it. I got it. The furthest shot I ever got with this gun. This was the first shot I took today with this gun. Oh my soul. 138 meter shot. For all you non-believers out there that this gun cannot group that far. There you have it. There you have it. Like Ted said in that one video of his, when you get that perfect shot, you might as well just pack up and go home. Man, my day is freaking made. I got goosebumps. Honestly, I got goosebumps. 138 meters. If you ask me to do it again, I probably won't. Damn, I think it's time to go fetch it. That was unfreaking believable. It was an amazing shot, but I saw it, wanted to go to the side. Its feet was hanging like crazy, so I expect the shot to be very low. From experience, every time, in the past when I take a crappy shot and it's low like that, you can see the feet hanging like that. So that is amazing, man. Whew. I cannot tell you the feeling of that. That's just unbelievable. I'm quickly gonna go fetch it. I'll bring you guys along. Okay, so on my way to go pick up that other one from 138 meters. I managed to come across one in another tree, so it is not going to be that far. It's actually 30 meters, so that is just beyond close. So let's do this. You won't believe what's happening here. That pigeon, or not pigeon, that dove is actually stuck in the freaking tree. And there's no way that I'm going to be able to get it. Now, please tell me, what's the chances of something like this happening? I mean, really? This is really going to be a struggle. Right, I'm gonna leave that dove now in the tree. I'm not gonna struggle too much with it. I'm actually here by this this big ass tree that I shot that dove out. So I'm just going to try and walk around here and see if I can, you know, maybe find it here somewhere. Because, like I said, it had some gas in it when I basically shot it. So I know for a fact it must be somewhere around here. Sorry for the crappy footage, but it's difficult to film, you know. I've told you guys I'll bring you along. What's that? No. Ah, here it is, here it is, here it is. Okay, so here we have it. The grass is a little bit long, so sorry for taking so long. And like I expected, a little low shot. Wasn't actually too bad. How does it look here on front? Right here by the wing side, but it came crashing down. It actually makes sense. So 138 meters shot. The best or the furthest shot ever with the Safari. I'm very happy. You have another one here at 68 meters. That will be exactly 2 miles of holdover. So let's see. I know I can get it. Should be around there. Yep. Okay. Forgot about the bloody wind. One of those things, eh? You can't have them all. I'm still pumped with adrenaline after that shot at 138 meters. So sorry. One of those things. Like I said, you can't get them all, or can't have them all. But it's one of those things that, at the end of the day, that's hunting. And that's what makes it nice. So just want to see, there's one that came in and landed here at the back, so I'm just quickly going to move the camera and see if I can get it. Man, life is easy when you got a wife that's doing your filming for you, but I still enjoy it. At 50 meters, that would give me a little bit less than 1 mil of holdover. Okay, kill the camera. So 1 mil. I should be able to get it. Damn. You guys heard it. The other animals also heard it. That was a hell of a shot. 50 meters right in the spine. I'm quickly gonna go fetch it. I got it. It was sitting with its back towards me, and as you can see there, that's the entry wound right here, and the exit wound right here in front through the chest. So this one was dead before it even touched the ground. So I love kills like this. That one was at 20 meters. Really close. Some thorn bushes around here. Anyway, 20 meters right here. I'm actually waiting for the guinea fowl. As you guys can see, there's a wall right here behind me. This is actually the place where I did the shooting when I did the review of the Red Wolf Safari. And what's nice about this wall and why I actually came here to shoot here, our wind always comes from this direction. Now you will see there's big trees there and this wall. So if I lie right next to this wall and I shoot, the wall and the trees block the wind quite a lot. So you won't really find the wind bother you that much right here. And you know, when I came, the grass were way shorter than now, so I could actually lie prone and shoot. So just for the guys who wanted to know about that. Got it. I think I struck it right in the wing. Not sure, but I managed to get it. So about 33 meters, maybe a little bit more. And a lot of twigs and stuff, so we'll see. Maybe this JSB 25 grainers can push right through it. Let's see. It does. These 25 grain JSB pellets running at 925 feet per second are damn crazy. Really damn crazy. Okay guys and girls, I'm going to call it a wrap for today. Unfortunately I was only able to shoot 5 doves. I got 4 and then the other one is still stuck in the tree. There's no way that I'm going to get it out, but yeah, it's one of those things, eh? I tried to wait it out and see if I can't get guinea fowl, but unfortunately they are very shy today, so I'll leave them for the next day. It is 7 o'clock now in the evening, so I'm gonna pack up and head back home. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you guys enjoy this video, please share it with somebody that might find it interesting. Also give it a like. And please go check out my Facebook and Instagram page. I share a lot of content there as well. Thanks again for watching. Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers for now.